Isn't this pretty cool? You can see my ad account all around me. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and optimize your keywords for your YouTube ad campaign. So let's get right into it and just no BS. Here's the campaign that I'm going to be showing you. This is my Learn Ecom funnel. This is cold traffic and I'm targeting how to make money keywords. As you can see, I've spent $120. We've gotten 64 clicks at $1.88 per click. So I haven't gotten any conversions there, so I really need to optimize this. But I know it has potential because the cost per click is pretty affordable. So let's go into it. First thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and check the demographics. I don't see what age group this is being sent to. All right, so a lot of the money is going to 18 to 24 and the cost per click is pretty cheap, okay. 55 to 64 seems to do surprisingly well. So since my product is an informational product, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause 18 to 24 just because I know it's harder to sort of close people with less budgets. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and exclude from ad group. So that's number one, that's the first optimization. Now I'm going to go to the keywords. So this is all the keywords. As you can see, I've lowered the maximum cost per view all the way to 1 cent cost per view. So we can't even optimize it further. So whatever the cost per click is, that's the cost per click. So what I do is I'll look at the cost per click and anything over like $3, I'll go ahead and pause. This one's $3.70, pause, and I'll do this all enabled. So I know what to pause. I'll just make it easy to filter. This one, it looks weird. That's not, pause that. How to make money maze, Bank West, pause that. What else can we pause? Snapchat Premium, let's go ahead and pause that. For Speed Heat, pause that. Money Hunting, this is some game, pause that. Make Money, that one does well surprisingly. This one, Make Money Moves, okay, cool. Make money starting with nothing. This one did surprisingly well. I want to scale this keyword out, but I think I'm just going to get a bunch of cheap people. But yeah, that's basically how I optimize my campaign. You just want to go into your keywords, look for everything that is unprofitable or has, not unprofitable, but has an expensive cost per click. I know that if I'm profitable, my cost per click is sort of around $2-ish. So anything that is drastically above $2, I just go ahead and pause. And then on the next video, I'll show you guys how to go ahead and scale your keyword YouTube ad campaigns. That's today's video. I hope you guys found value from this. Question of the day, do you know how to use keywords when it comes to Google AdWords? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious if people even know how to do this. But that's why I'm sort of doing this tutorial, because I want to show you guys everything. Other than that, let's go ahead and announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, a consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.